My name is Kimberly Ebersole, and I work at the Lagler Regional Library. I have a fun activity today for Make and Take. It's Shakers, Hot and Music Shaker. This activity is good for preschool-age children and also for children in primary grades. Here are some of the supplies. I have a paper plate. You can get dried beans, or I have nuts right here to go inside. A stapler, or you could even use tape. And let's see, some crayons to decorate the plate with. What's nice to add to it is some streamers. You don't need them, but it's kind of nice to add those. And what we're going to talk about is the science behind this craft. And we're talking about the science of sound. And we're going to talk about how sound travels. So say someone across the room claps their hands, boop, and you hear that clap. How did this clap travel to you? Well, the vibration of the clap moves through air particles, and all these air particles carry the sound over or move over, and then they come to you and you hear it in your ears. And that's how sound travels to you. Sound at first sounds very strong if you're close by it. If you do a clap by your ear, it's going to sound loudest because it doesn't have a long distance to travel. But if someone claps far away, it moves all those air particles, but it sort of slows down and dies out after a while, and then it'll sound very faint by the time it gets to you if they're clapping far away. So we're going to go ahead and make those shakers. First, we decorate our plate. And I fold it over. And I like lava lamps, and I think they make neat blobs. So I'm going to put a bunch of blobs. And you can put designs of your own choosing. And I just do this scribble here, and then I color in my scribble. I love to color in scribbles. I have my yellow here. I'll color in that scribble. Maybe more blobs around here. Scribble. Scribble. Whoop. And this is fun, right? I don't know if you're making happy faces or stars, but it's fun to make a design. And so I have my little design of all my scribbles, my lava lamp design. Then I'm going to you can put your dried beans or your nuts in here. And then sort of line up my little streamers here. And I'll staple it. So let's get that stapled. So we'll put this here. This is the parent portion here, the stapling. And then we'll keep going. And we'll keep going here. Add some more streamers. And okay. And we got our shaker. Hold it away from your ear. And it's sort of faint. Hold it close. And the sound waves have less distance to travel, so it's louder. So you know, there's some good books about sound. There's The Invention Hunters Discover How Sound Works by Corwin Briggs. Another one is Simply Sound, Science Adventures with Jasper the Origami Bat by Eric Braun. And there's also activities on our website that you can go to on the Chicago Public Library's website. And let's see, there's the Winter's Journey, and there's all kinds of events that you can go to. Well, I had a lot of fun. You guys be sure to check out these books, and I'll see you guys at the library. Bye-bye.